Isitimela sasemzumbe lesayana.
Waqala lo girl yas.
Inhloko yesitimela.
Futhi angim-address-e ibese ngiyazibamba futhi ngisenjani kuphi. Hlonipha umcimbi.
Uma ngampilo becela usuku lokuthi bakwazi ukukhipha impilo.
Angikwazi ukwenza lokho because mina nawe asiyena umfazi lendoda.
Mawucabanga impilo yena ukuzomphatha kanjani
I don't care Mashobati.
You don't care about
Yes,
her.
yes. Ungacabanga ukuthi impilo cares about me. She doesn't care.
Hayibo.
Ukube becare mina nawe ngabe kade saba right. Uma impilo ethi angihlangene nezinkinga zakho baba. Ngithi ke impilo by doing that we are failing wena yo Judy. Niqhubekani ke niwenza umcimbi ke ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi nina nikawenza
It's
mina.
not like uzoshona inside. Usho masihamba ngikuvulele esangweni.
Ngifuna ukukhama kuqala.
Khona i-toilet sengaphandle.
Yo, guys, I'm just here for Makumalo's spitefulness. Girl is turning on business. I literally died with laughter when she told Mtombeni to use the outside bathroom. I don't feel sorry for Mtombeni. He literally deserved the treatment. And also him deciding not to be a supportive father to Mpilo because he feel like Mpilo is betraying him. She's choosing Makumalo's side. That is very wrong. Mtombeni usile. I'm just asking myself ukuthi Mpilo ungenaphi in indaba zabantu abadala. Mtombeni must leave Mpilo out of his marital issues. She shouldn't be involved in adult affairs. And another thing about Mtombeni is that he tends to forget. On Mpilo's 18th birthday, he told ye phambi kwabantu that she should always side with Makumalo even if he is the one fighting with her. So now I'm just wondering ukuthi why does he feel betrayed by Mpilo? Hi guys, Mtombeni is crazy because how can he expect Mpilo to stand with him and fix the problems he caused? Such a huge responsibility on a child. Mtombeni is such a horrible father. Then let's talk about Umamkulu, guys. I just feel like Umacele got double standards. Because how was she mad at the Emuzumbe train statement when she started it? It's actually clear Uguti she thought she was attacking her sister wives to make them angry. Now she's mad that they are making a joke out of it instead of being offended. Sanbonani, hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel where I give you updates and reviews of reality TV shows. This is our update and review of Uthando Nestembu episode 27 highlights. So please watch until the end of this video because as usual, I've got a lot to unpack. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So the episode kicked off with a continuation of Rain Konyeni Municipal Awards ceremony. After Mtombeni had received his award, Makumalo's homeboy was called on stage to receive an award and Makumalo was very excited. Whilst the guy was being honored and receiving his award, Makumalo shouted, Ukuti, Emuzumbe is not insignificant, and she went on to say, her homeboy is part of the Emuzumbe train. He is the head of the train. This didn't sit well with Umamkulu, and in her diary session, she said she wanted to address Makumalo, but she thought that it wasn't the time and the place, and she also remembered Ukuti she wasn't there to entertain Makumalo and her train utterances, so she decided to respect the occasion. In the interim, we saw Mtombeni addressing his wives. He expressed to them that he wasn't happy seeing them overly excited for other people, whilst he got less appreciation. He also told them not to taunt each other, and he went on to point out Ukuti when Makumalo said that the boy from Emuzumbe is the head of the train, that was very problematic. Makumalo defended herself as she said it was just a joke and it wasn't about someone specific and she weren't taunting anyone. In her confessional, Makumalo added that Mtombeni saying they were provoking someone by referring themselves as Istimela Sasemzumbe confirmed that the person who started it intended to disrespect them, so she was retaining the favor. Okay, so guys, it's actually clear Ukutsi Umamkulu doesn't like Makumalo. She hates her with passion and she can't even pretend She and her siblings are the ones who started with the Istimela Sasemzumbe statement, and they even laughed about it. Jiki Jiki now it's a problem for Yena because Makumalo trivialized what she and her family said. What a hypocrite. Then Mtombeni, I personally think he should have reprimanded Machele and his siblings when they started with the Istimela Sasemzumbe joke. Him calling out Makumalo, I personally think it's just because he was pissed ukuthi she refused to accompany him to the stage to receive the award. Moving on with the highlights of the show, on the second part, we saw Mtombeni arriving at Makumalo's house. Upon arrival, Mtombeni had a tour of Makumalo's kitchen and he noticed a difference from the last time he was there. And he asked Makumalo ukuthi, does she remember when he told her that she hid things from him? And Makumalo said yes. Mtombeni went on to point out to Makumalo that he were referring to the kitchen. She said she was saving to build the kitchen, but Yena, you know that it was sponsored. Makumalo broke down in tears as she said she paid every cent for the kitchen. And what was making her emotional is the fact that she's doing everything from her pocket, whilst Mtombeni is doing everything for her sister wives. She continued to say at least one thing Mtombeni can do is to be happy for her. At the same time, Mtombeni informed Makumalo that he visited her to find out what the problem really is between them so that he can fix it and start coming to your house. He continued to tell her that he wouldn't want to come to the house and he have no one open for him. Makumalo responded to Mtombeni that he can't be at the gate and he have no one open for him. But she ain't gonna allow him to come there until she's okay with him coming there. Mtombeni pointed out to Makumalo ukuthi she was saying what she was saying because she want to rule over him. He went on to say to her, if she can stop ruling over him, then they will align. And Makumalo replied him that she's gonna pray about it. In wrapping up their conversation, Makumalo apprised Mtombeni ukuthi Mpilo's mom was asking for a date for Mpilo's ushering ceremony. Mtombeni told Makumalo that he can't do that because Yena Makumalo and him, they are not husband and wife and he don't care about how Mpilo is gonna feel. He went ahead to say Mpilo doesn't care about him because if she cared, Yena Makumalo and him would have long been okay. Mtombeni went further to say if Mpilo says she won't get involved in his issues with Yenama K and that she won't lobby Makumalo to fix things, she is failing her duty. Makumalo reminded Mtombeni that sometime they didn't go to the ancestral shrine as a family because he insisted on continuing with his child's ceremony Metuli, and they were blocked from going there because he loved and cared for Met. He didn't hold the ceremony. At the same time, Makumalo walked out on Mtombeni as she said she wasn't going to listen to him if he won't give his children the same treatment. Yani, Makumalo and Mtombeni's marriage is hanging by a thread. So firstly, let's talk about the kitchen issue. I personally think Mtombeni is jealousy of Makumalo. Every opportunity he gets, he always wants to discredit Makumalo. He literally hates how successful Makay is. The simple thing that he could have done was just to applaud Makumalo. It's like he feels intimidated by his success. And another thing, when Makumalo was breaking down about what he said regarding the kitchen, he didn't even try to comfort her or apologize. I give up on Mtombeni Shem. Then Makumalo's behavior towards him, I don't blame her. She's so hate. And what's said is that the marriage is getting toxic on our watch. Lastly, let's talk about what Mtombeni said, that he doesn't care about Mpilo. Mtombeni is a bad person. Why would he utter such, all because he wants to have an upper hand on Makumalo? What a terrible father he is. He should leave Mpilo alone. She's just a child. Mtombeni must save his marriage alone. It's crumbling because of his actions, not Mpilo's actions. And by the look of things, it's like Mtombeni doesn't really love Mpilo because why does he have to be begged every time to do anything for her? He's such a bad father to her, and I just feel sorry for Mpilo. She literally deserves a better father. So, guys, that is all that I had in this particular video. That was all about the highlights of Uthando Nestembu episode 27. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? There is literally nothing to wait for. So please kindly do subscribe to join this beautiful family. If you've got your own opinion, your own observation, your own perspective, please don't hesitate. Kindly go ahead and drop a comment in the comment section box down below. That's what we do here. Thank you so much once again for tuning in. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and also share it. Bye for now.